Hey, what it do, YouTube? Today's gonna be another video, but it's a very simple tutorial, very quick, straight to the point. So we're gonna be downloading NiceHash Miner. Just keep in mind though, this doesn't directly mine Bitcoin. If you want to directly mine Bitcoin, you're going to want to actually download Hyvion OS. That allows you to mine wide range of cryptocurrencies directly. But you know, this is simple. This is very beginner stuff. So let's get right into it. Go ahead and hop into NiceHash.com. Just go ahead and type this in, put in the link below. And so just go ahead and hit start mining. We're going to be downloading NiceHash Miner, not NiceHash OS. That's going to be in a separate video. So just hit start mining, log in with your account, and you've logged in. Go ahead and hit download. Hit this button right here, download miner or add ASIC. In this case, we don't have an ASIC right now. And so just go ahead and hit NiceHash Miner right here. Copy the link and send it to y'all. Put it down in the link below. So just click on NiceHash Miner, not Quick Miner. This one right here, NiceHash Miner. So just hit download and download the exe, install it. And right after you're finished with the installation, you're going to go ahead and open up NiceHash. And just make sure within these plugins you have everything installed. They're completely safe. They're alright. As you can see within our current device, this is our specs right now. Right? And so just go ahead and start the benchmark, and what it'll do, it'll benchmark your devices specifically. And yeah, right after the benchmark is finished, we'll go ahead and hop on my other dedicated rig here. This is what it looks like, basically. And there you go. You just let it do its thing. You know what I'm saying? Very simple. Just remember, this doesn't directly mine Bitcoin. It mines various cryptocurrencies based on the market band. In this case, we're mining Monero and Zelhash. And then we get paid in Bitcoin after mining these cryptocurrencies. We get paid in Bitcoin, and it's very simple to use. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video.